Hey everyone, welcome back to a new video with me Kirti. Today we are going to create this masculine theme decoupage diary. I have received this gift diary. The orange color cover of it made it completely irresistible for us to use it. That's why I decided to revamp it for my husband for our upcoming anniversary gift. I started off by covering the borders of my diary with black chalk paint, and later I proceeded to make the background for my decoupage on the cover of my diary, which was white and black, giving it very beautiful effect of grayish color. I have used roller as well as sponge dauber as well as paintbrush for covering the cover of my diary with black paint and white paint. All three of it together have given really beautiful and blended kind of background which I wanted to achieve. After the cover background was created, the next step was to cut the design and to decoupage it onto the cover. And for doing this, I have used CrafTangles decoupage glue. When my decoupage has dried completely, it was my turn to play around with the colors and stencils till the content of my heart. And I continued doing it until I was truly satisfied with the result. At the end, I also have covered it with decoupage varnish, and this is how it turned out to be. I hope you like it. If you do, don't forget to like and subscribe.